Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys why you guys are not able to make a public profile on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. So in my screen, as you guys can see, I have a public profile and I had to do like a couple of things in order to achieve this public profile, as you guys can see. So let me show you how you guys can do that as well. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first thing, most of the time the settings we have on our Snapchat is of private mode. So first we need to change some of the settings to public mode so you guys can get this feature. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. It's going to bring you to your Snapchat screen over here. Over here you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you come under this section called privacy control. Now under privacy control versus see my location, click on it and make sure your ghost mode is on. Ghost mode is on means nobody is going to see your location. Make sure that is turned on. Once your ghost mode is on, what you want to do is click on versus view my story. And on view my story, make sure you select everyone. So in my screen, the everyone option is not being shown because I already have a public account. But in your screen, it should show you an option called everyone. Make sure you choose everyone. Once you choose everyone in story where it says contact me, click on contact me and make sure you choose everyone because you want everyone to be able to contact you. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on spotlight comment setting and click on where it says auto approve everyone. Once you do that, most of your settings should be converted into a public account because everyone can now view your Snapchat accounts. So by that setting, basically you're putting all of your Snapchat information to public, alright? So you need to keep that in mind as well. After you do that, wait for 2 or 3 days and basically my public profile option should be available to you once you visit your Snapchat profile. And you can just click on my public profile option and create yourself a public profile from there. So that's how you guys can make yourself a public profile on Snapchat. And the reason you're not able to make a public profile is basically because all of the settings on your Snapchat is a private account. Your story is private, your friends are private, all the things are private. So of course you cannot make a public profile. So do these things and it should work. So hope I was able to help you guys. Hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time.